Hello everyone, it's 22nd December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have why intimate partner violence is an under-recognized public health crisis. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have visibility and inclusion, advancing the case of children with disabilities. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have keeping a close watch on Bangladesh event, says India. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have President grants assent to rural jobs bill. Government listed 4 focus areas for 2 works. Again, very important for employment perspective. Then we have railways to hike fare from December 26. Again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have DGP Commission's new sewage plan to curb Yamuna pollution. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have in a first freight train brings 1384 tons of food grains to Kashmir. Again, very important. Then we have the Education Plus, where we have growing together, introducing cooperative learning across all educational levels. Again, very important for education perspective. Moving forward, we have snowfall ends, prolonged dry spell lifts hope for winter tourism in Kashmir Valley. Again, very important for tourism perspective. In economic perspective, then we have elephant calf injured in Assam train collision. Dice Center seeks report. Again, very important for wildlife perspective. Then we have Environment Minister renews measures to address human-wildlife conflict. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Will Force Center to recall bill replacing Manrega, says Stalin. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have water scarcity threatens model tribal schools in Maharashtra that stem season migration. Again, very important. Then we have when misinvestment has more facets than it is known. Again, very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have US forces stop oil tankers off coast of Venezuela again in 2 weeks. Then we have Putin's readiness to speak with Macron, welcome France. Then we have Kremlin denies 3-way talks between UK, Ukraine, Russia and preparation. Then we have Israel approves 19 new settlements in occupied West Bank. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.